My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to use Power Query. Power Query. Power Query can be used to combine a lot of sheets into a single sheet. We can also use it to combine a lot of workbook into a single workbook. And we can also use Power Query to do data cleaning. For example, we have a sales report for the month of January, February, and for the month of March. We want to combine these three reports into a single sheet, these three sheets. Now let's go to the empty sheet where we want to pull out, we want to combine the three sheets. You will open empty sheet, click on the data, click on get data. From where? From the workbook, because the report you want to pull out is from the workbook. Click on it. This is the workbook sales report for the year 2024 first quarter. Click on it, import the report. Now we add the report here. You can click on anyone, just click on anyone and come to the transform data. You can click on January, anyone you like, come to the transform data. Now it has transformed the data. You will come here to go back to the socks. The socks, clean this one, clear it, clear the second one, and clear the third one. At socks, you will see a data here. Click on the data, right click, and you remove the other column, which is this column, this column, this column, and this column. Remove other column so that it will remain only data. Under this data, click on this icon and click OK. Now it has combined the three sheets into a single sheet. You will look at the header here, the data.column1, data.column2. These are not the original header. The original header is date, product name, quantity sold. Now look at here, look at the top here. Use first row as header. Click here. Click on the use first row as header. It will use the first row as header. It has used it. You will see that the header for the month of February and for the month of March, they are still there. How can we remove this one? Come here, click here. You will see the product name. Untick this one, click OK. It will remove it. The step we are taking is recording it. If you want to go backward, you can click on this one. It will take you back a step. Now you can click this one the way we did it earlier. Untick this one, click OK. Now the next thing, you will see that this thing writes A, B, C, and 1, 2. It means that a text and a number together, they are here. But this one, ABC, it's only a text. This one, we don't need to pick this one because this our data here is date. Click on this and come to the date to change this to date. Otherwise, by the time we pull our reports out, it will show it as a text. It will not show it as a date. Now we are through with this. Let's click on the closed and load. Come here and click close and load. Click on it. Now this is our final result. It has combined the three sheets into what? Into a single sheet. For example, maybe at the end of the April or at the end of the second quarter, you want to do the same thing. Instead of going through the same process, with the help of just 2 clicks, I repeat, with just 2 clicks, you will do the same combination of what we just did now. First thing you need to do, try to save this report. I mean, you should save this report before you do what? Proceed. Let's save it. Let's go back to the workbook to do what? To create the sales report for the month of April. Duplicate the March results. Right click, rename this one to April. Now let's change this month Control F. The month of March 03, replace it wherever you see 03, replace it with 04. We just use this one for example, that this is your next report. Control S to save it. Now let's go back to the report. I said that you need only two click. Click on it, right click one, second click, click on the refresh. Perfect. It has included April reports. That is how to use Power Query. Thank you for listening. God bless you. I remain Sunday Bada. Bye bye.